Good afternoon guys, we're here in Naif and we'll see what they can sell here or where you can buy good stuff like gadgets. Let's see how much the price compared to the mall price. So let's go. Hanap tayo ng kulang natin sa materials vlogging. So sana makahanap tayo ng magandang quality at saka magandang price din para mas maganda yung voice recording natin kasi kulang tayo ng isang material. So sana tulungan niyo ako. First time dito sa Naif. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito pala kadami yung ano nila, binebenta nila. Meron silang gadgets, parts ng sasakyan, RTW. Madami silang ano binebenta dito. So yung mga low budget, ito yung perfect na ano na puntahan. Best way to purchase cheap materials that you're looking for is as always, every stool that you think that they have that material, as after that in a few minutes or in a matter of time you'll find your material in good price and good quality. Oh my god, finding a right material is not easy. Paikot-ikot na ako dito. Ang dami ko nang pinasukan na stall or parang store. Wala sila. Hirap. Mic lang naman ang kailangan ko. Wala pa sila. Ikot lang. Don't lose hope. Okay, let's have some chill for a meantime guys, because struggle talaga maghanap ng material na yun. So while I'm waiting for my food, I meet this guy, good guy from India. See, what's your name, brother?
Yeah, my name is Yusuf. I'm from India.
See,
Yeah, I'm working here.
he's working here, and then I'm just asking him if he knows where to purchase good material like a microphone. And he told me there's some area here that can purchase that one good quality and good price. So thank you, man.
Yeah, also nice guy. Do like, subscribe, and share this video.
See, he promote my channel, so please subscribe and subscribe to my channel. Okay, ByaheNiHorhe.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Tell also to your colleague, brother.
Yeah, no problem. We can do.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you.
Init. 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 Sarap. Guys, ang bait ng lalaki na yun. So, hindi niya lang sinabi kung saan yung place kung saan pwedeng bumili ng mga ng parts or kung anong kailangan mo. Sinabi rin niya kung ano yung anong location to. So, may different area pala ng Naif. So sa right side Naif Dubai, and sa left side is Naif Deira. Finally guys, we got the new material for vlogging. And that's it. Set up na nga yung ating camera with the mic now. So hopefully we'll enhance our voice and the videos. Thank you.